You're gonna have these beautiful stones here, you said, steps. I love the idea that, I love the vision. So you'll bring up the grate a little bit over here, a little bit over here. You're wondering what to do. This is mostly shady in here, then it's partial shade in here, or partial sun really. I guess we'll have to wait and see what happens to the maple. Anyway, my thought was, as you're coming up the stairs, you have low stuff here, low stuff here, not like rock height, but just like maybe no more than 2 feet off the ground. So when you're walking by, it's not too much. You know, you're not closed in. You can just have this nice sense of like, oh, flowers, plants there, da da da. So you wondered, are there shade plants that have nice colors? So yes, there are. In addition to the beautiful foliage that you can get from something like hostas and other things, there is, and contrasting foliage for shade areas is key, and to be sort of worked on with intention. So the contrasting foliage, different sizes, different shapes, different colors. But in addition to the hostas, you've got astilbes, lungwort, bleeding hearts. There's a couple of different kinds. Hellebores. You can put some bulbs in for early spring color. You can also put little pops of color throughout with like impatiens and other shade annuals. So before you know it, then you've got something kind of going up. A number of those plants that I just said are tolerant of some sun.